to go get takeout for a family of 4 for quesadillas. I'm not gonna spend $50 on quesadillas. And this is gonna get a lot more food. It's gonna get a lot more leftovers for all of tonight. You got food for tomorrow for 4 people. Hi, welcome. Meal Mode Monday. We're cooking quesadillas. Got a block of cheese and a shredder and a forearm. You're gonna put it to work. So you gotta shred your own cheese. That's how you get the Popeye arms. What's this red pepper for? I don't know. So we got a cup of white rice. We got some red kidney beans with the olive oil and the butter and the salt. Rice will take about 20 minutes, and we'll get the ground beef seasoned with some onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika, a little more of that Goya, and some black pepper. All right, we're gonna season it all, throw it right on top. Still even slightly frozen. Took it out last night. It's about 1.25 pounds of meat. Paprika. Chili powder is what gives it that taco taste. Need that. Go heavy on the garlic. And the pepper. And all that salt is in the Goya, so. Yeah, still a little frozen, but it's break up fast enough. So got picky customers in this house. So one of the customers here who doesn't pay nothing but IOUs, doesn't eat the quesadilla, doesn't like the tortilla. So that's why I got the white rice cooking up, and figure just give her the straight up meat with the white rice. Doesn't eat the beans either, so one kid can have a steak, beef bean quesadilla. One can have just meat, white rice, a bunch of sour cream globbed on it. Take these beans, make that little refried almost finished. Break it down, it'll be nicer too when we mix it with that ground beef and the quesadillas, or even just with the rice. Gonna get that ground beef off the stove. Got some lime, we'll hit it right after we get it. I like using it, I feel like you get a little bit more out of it. But we'll hit that ground beef, half that lime. Mix it up, and that's goodness right there. You got 1.25 pounds. I'm not a big fan of these tortillas, but it's what we got here. With quesadillas, I feel like most people love them. So you can go as much heavy into quesadillas as you want. You can throw as many things into it. Kind of open up your fridge and you see what you got, and that's what goes in that quesadilla. Meat and beans and cheese. A little bean. Got the red kidney beans smashed up. Kind of layer it up. Got the cheese on the bottom, meat beans in the middle, and then we'll do cheese on the top. And we got 4 of these pre-made, and that'll be plenty for dinner. And we still have, I would say, this is how you kind of make food also spread out. Still have at least almost 1 pound of meat left over. Thing about shredding this cheese is you have to shred a lot of cheese, especially when you're making the quesadillas.